god, I just cut off that guy so bad. Gotta accelerate up to the speed limit at least, guys, when you're getting on the freeway.
I'll just... Is this necessary? Oh, really? You're kidding me. Oh, God. Go forth and die, Jesus. Getting that one.
Wow, look at the... Oh, they're trying to go that way. Nope, he's cutting in. What an asshole. Holy shit. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, that's for bikes, not for cars.
Not,
Jesus.
Davy Jones's locker. He was kind of dead then, but they took care of that too. I mean, none of the lines are actually painted, so...
Well, yeah, but that's blatantly...
Not a lane over there.
Whoa. The person's doing it too. Wow. Huh, let me guess. You're also going to go straight from the right-hand portion of the turn lane. Huh. This guy stopped in the middle of the crosswalk. God, so much ignorance going on in front of me right now.
Fill your debt for a mere fraction of what you owe. Get the fresh start you deserve. Call for a free consultation now at 800-425-6588. 800-425-6588.
Is this asshole going to try to cut back in the line?
Stored in your phone, Ron.
Oh yeah, he is on the hunt. And there he goes. Because he's so much more important than all of us. Complete asshole.
Although it puts us again up in the...
No f***ing U-turn there, you stupid f***er. Christ, man. And he didn't even turn. What the hell is he doing?
Just an
Honk's back. I mean, it's gonna feel okay, but compared to what I think is appropriate, it's gonna feel bad.
Where's this car gonna go? Come on. No.
You fucking idiot.
You have a horn too?